Welcome. As graduate students and early career professionals, your writing must be confident, accurate, and professional. Whether in research papers, presentations, or emails, how you state your claims matters as much as the claims themselves. Many think that using absolute language makes you sound confident, but in academia, it often signals a lack of nuance. We use hedging, cautious language, not to be weak, but to be precise. It acknowledges limitations and actually increases your credibility. Consider this example. This study proves that online learning is ineffective. That is an absolute claim. Now, compare it to. The findings suggest that online learning may be less effective in certain contexts. The second sentence is more professional because it is open to evidence and context. Here are 5 common hedging expressions you should master. 1. Appears to. 2. Suggests that. 3. May indicate. 4. Is likely to. And 5. Can be interpreted as. Using these signals that you are interpreting data, not stating absolute fact. Let's practice. Original. The data shows the strategy failed. Revised. The data suggests the strategy may have been unsuccessful. Original. This causes the problem. Revised. This is likely a contributing factor to the problem. See the difference? In professional settings, hedging saves relationships. Instead of saying this deadline is impossible, try writing. Meeting this deadline appears to be challenging given current resources. It is polite, objective, and constructive. Now, I challenge you to review your latest draft. Find one absolute sentence and revise it using a hedging strategy. It will instantly elevate your tone. For more advanced lessons, visit EnglishCorner.com.